Creating a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. First of all, you have to select the column where you want to create a drop-down list. Data tab, select Data Validation option. Data Validation dialog box will appear on your screen. You have to select the validation criteria, select list, type values for the list in source. You have to type the values in source box, appears on your screen. I am typing principal, office superintendent, clerk. You can type any value you want to type in the list. You see, I am typing principal, office superintendent, senior assistant. You have to separate all the values with the comma. In source, comma is mandatory. You see, I am typing senior assistant, clerk, or I am typing PN. All the values are separated with comma. After typing all the values, you have to click OK button. Now press OK. The drop-down list will be created. You can check by clicking with mouse. You see drop-down list. From the drop-down list, you can select any value for the cell. This is the way of creating drop-down list in Excel. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.